Over $44,000 for this 2024 Ford Ranger, and of course it's almost 50 grand before even paying tax. After you pay tax and interest, you're going to be over 50 grand most likely on this vehicle at the end of the day. And look at this, they're adding an extra $2,000 in add-ons. Come on, get out of here with that stuff. Most people would just say no, it's not worth 2 grand for some window tint and stuff like that. Like, come on, get out of here with that stuff. But this Ford dealership's pretty loaded. They even have Ford Raptors in stock. That's the crazy part about it is almost all of this is 2024 inventory, and they have some of the most desirable vehicles they sell in stock because people are not buying as much. It's just a fact. Look at this, an extra 2 grand for some BS. Get out of here. Let's see what these Mavericks are because, hey, they're supposed to be in the 20s, right? 20 grand, 25. Okay, so 30 grand. I've seen them in the 50s, basically 40 something. So hey, at least this one's in the low 30s, but still a lot of money for a very small truck. A lot of money, but this is just the reality. Everything's so much more expensive, and even Ford is getting stuck with Ford Raptors. I mean, they got it all here. They got it all. And they redesigned the Mustang, and now people don't like them anymore. They have a screen. It's all plastic, to be honest. If you get in it, it feels cheap to me. And it's just not what I don't know, it's not worth the money, but 37, but this is, yeah, I mean, I was about to say, or 34,000, my bad. But yeah, it's an EcoBoost, so let's see if we can find a GT here. Let's see, I think this one right here, yeah, 5.0, yeah, no window sticker, but this is probably $60,000. So it's like, yeah, I don't know about that. It's just not worth it, and I've never been a Ford guy to begin with, but again, for this kind of money, you have a lot of options, and a lot of people just don't like the redesign. They really don't. Yeah, $67,000 for this GT 5.0. But yeah, a lot of people don't like it, and it's just more expensive, and a lot of people feel like they're getting lower quality. Now, they do have these 2500 and 3500s. People will continue to buy these. They will keep buying them. Same with the vans. They love these things as long as you don't change them. Don't change anything. Leave it how it is. Let's see the price on this one. This is, let's see here, $66,000. So not cheap at all, but extremely utilitarian. Extremely utilitarian. But yeah, I'm seeing, look at this. I mean, it's on every single vehicle, an extra 2 grand. And it's just, all it is additional dealer profit. That's all it is. That's really all it is. And these F-250s, they will continue to sell, but do not touch them, Ford. Leave them how they are. They are saving your dealerships right now because they're getting stuck with all these retail units over here, and it's way overpriced. No one wants to buy them without a big discount, and they're all 2024s sitting, not selling. And it's crazy because it's every Ford dealership's loaded with these 2024 inventory, and it's like, whoa, what's going on? Let's see here. Yeah, I can't see the price over there, but yeah, I mean, these things are 30 to 40 grand, and it's not worth it for a little Ford Escape. Like, they have no resale value at all, like zero resale value at all. Let's see, we can look at this one. This is probably a cheaper one, non-hybrid. Yeah, $32,000 for this one. So 32 grand, and that's a cheap one. Trust me, they get up there if you get the hybrid version. But still, when you go to sell it, you're talking 15 grand. Like, no resale value at all on these things. F-150s, like I said earlier, they have Ford Raptors sitting here not selling. That's pretty crazy because, guys, they used to sell like crazy. But now with lending getting harder, banks saying no more often, what does that mean? The dealership cannot continue to just let them go out the door because people just simply can't get approved. And even Ford Rangers are 50 grand nowadays. So there is no more affordable trucks. I mean, even the Maverick's 30 grand, and some would argue the Maverick's not a truck, but hey, it has a bed, you know, it is what it is. But look at these Ford Raptors in stock, not selling. No one wants to buy them. It's way overpriced. It's too much money for what it is. They have a lot of them actually, just sitting here. Let's say 2 years ago, this would have never happened because lending was so easy to get. People were left and right. You could come in, they wouldn't even ask for proof of income. They wouldn't ask for any of this stuff. And so now they're stuck like Chuck with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Ford Raptors sitting here that no one wants to buy. You don't get the V8 anymore. I mean, there's a lot of problems with it, but people still love these things. But again, for 100 grand, no thank you. And of course they're adding the $2,000. And this thing, it's been sitting for some time. It's really covered in dust. I mean, you can tell this truck has been sitting for some time. So it's just sitting here. No one wants it. It is what it is. No one wants this stuff because it's too overpriced. And I almost bet the dealership's saying, oh, we can't discount it because it's a Raptor. But you guys have 7 of them. So, hey, you guys got to start discounting. This is the reality of the situation. Discounts are here because what? You guys have so much inventory in stock, ready to go, which means supply and demand. It's time to get back to the discounts. Is it going to be enough? Probably not, because these things are already $100,000. So if you get $10,000 off, is that even enough? But still, at the end of the day, just know discounts are here, and you better get one when you're shopping. Let me know what you think. Have a great day and stay blessed.